Them food not taste nice.
Right there, so you could have stayed a little longer, though.
The chicken could have cooked more a little better.
But who to blame?
I'm not like them can't cook though.
Of course them can cook. That's why me love buy my food I'm for Auntie Shirley.
Them can't
Auntie
cook.
Shirley can cook, man.
Them can't.
Call the boy hot up.
Feel like the boy give me a bone.
Hot up by 5th time me hear you sneeze. I'm only surprised for hear the 6th one. See that? The 6th of the 6th. Hot up call the boy.
Dirty drunk crow, Okay, get the funeral.
Which girl that in my background? Yeah! Right there, so who to blame? Who's blame? Who's blame? Do not insult my intelligence, me a idiot. So me a idiot. Left the boy at up. I done it done. Left the boy.
Blood clot, bruh.
Yes! Right there, so who to blame? Who to blame?
Yeah, they Friday I get paid, no?
Hot up, call him back. Call him back, hot up.
Honey? Yes, my love. It was just a prank earlier, you know.
It was a prank call.
Yeah.